fun little etude with character. You know, you really are trying to separate those intervals from one from another. In the beginning, he writes molto staccato with the whole bow. So you use the entire bow the whole time. So it's very physical. I got a little tired towards the end, so if you're not sweating when you're playing this, you're probably doing it wrong. So it should be a pretty, should feel like a workout, sort of. Anyway, luckily we have some separation between those double stops, like between the intervals. So you play one, stop, you have a little bit of time, briefly, very small amount of time to regroup and prepare for the next interval. So take advantage of that. Make sure there is a noticeable gap. In my book, he specifically writes a little rest between the first and second interval, between second and third and fourth, and so on and so forth. Specifically, he's highlighting the idea that, guys, give yourself just a little time to regroup from one shape to the next shape with your left hand. I'm showing this with my right hand, but really it's the left hand. Anyway, so it's really cool. It's melodic. It's got an interesting melody going on, and it's got character. Yeah, it's not just a silly exercise nobody cares about. If you guys enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing to my YouTube membership site. It's a very small fee, but you provide really good support for this channel, and I can keep continuing videos for everyone. So think about it. It's a very small fee, probably won't break your bank at all, but it will make a difference for me. Either YouTube membership or my Patreon site, either one is fine. I really appreciate your support. Thank you.